Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Amazon. Amazon is a multinational conglomerate and one of the world's largest and most influential companies. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994, Amazon started as an online bookstore and has since evolved into a massive e-commerce platform and technology powerhouse. With its headquarters in Seattle, Washington, Amazon operates across numerous sectors, including e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, artificial intelligence, and consumer electronics. At its core, Amazon is renowned for its vast online marketplace, offering an extensive selection of products ranging from books and electronics to home goods, fashion, and everything in between. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction is reflected in its user-friendly website, competitive pricing, and efficient delivery services, including the popular Amazon Prime membership, which offers subscribers various benefits such as fast shipping and access to digital media content. The history of Amazon is a remarkable tale of entrepreneurial vision, innovation, and relentless growth. Here is a summary of its journey. Inception, 1994 to 1995. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in July 1994 in Seattle, Washington. Originally, the company began as an online bookstore, with Bezos recognizing the potential of the internet as a platform for commerce. He started Amazon out of his garage, and the website was launched in July 1995. Expansion into e-commerce, 1996 to 1999. Amazon quickly expanded beyond books, adding categories like music, electronics, and toys. The company aimed to provide a wide selection of products at competitive prices, prioritizing customer satisfaction. During this period, Amazon went public in May 1997, and its initial public offering, IPO, raised significant funds for future growth. Diversification and innovation, 2000 to 2006. Throughout the early 2000s, Amazon expanded its offerings and entered new markets. In 2000, it introduced its marketplace platform, allowing third-party sellers to sell products on the Amazon website. The company also launched services like Amazon Prime, offering fast shipping and other benefits to subscribers. Additionally, Amazon unveiled the Kindle e-reader in 2007, revolutionizing the digital reading experience. Transformation into a tech giant, 2007 to 2012. During this period, Amazon focused on expanding its technological capabilities and cloud computing services. In 2006, it launched Amazon Web Services, AWS, a cloud computing platform that provided scalable infrastructure to businesses and developers. AWS became a major driver of Amazon's growth and profitability. Disruption and diversification, 2013 to 2016. Amazon disrupted traditional retail with the introduction of Amazon Echo and its voice-activated virtual assistant, Alexa. In 2014, the Echo enabled users to interact with their devices using voice commands and marked the beginning of Amazon's entry into the smart home market. Additionally, Amazon expanded its media services with the launch of Amazon Studios, producing original TV shows and movies. Acquisitions and expansion, 2017 to 2019. During this period, Amazon made significant acquisitions to strengthen its presence in various industries. In 2017, it acquired Whole Foods Market, a leading natural and organic food supermarket chain. This move allowed Amazon to enter the grocery market and experiment with physical stores. Moreover, Amazon expanded its global reach by entering new markets, such as Australia, Singapore, and the Middle East. COVID-19 pandemic and continued growth, 2020 to 2021. The COVID-19 pandemic caused a surge in online shopping, benefiting Amazon as a dominant e-commerce player. The company faced challenges in meeting increased demand while ensuring the safety of its employees. It hired additional staff, invested in safety measures, and experienced significant growth in its revenue and market capitalization. further expansion and diversification. 2022 present. Amazon continues to expand and diversify its business. The company has been focusing on areas like healthcare, autonomous delivery, and entertainment streaming. It has launched initiatives like Amazon Pharmacy, Amazon Halo Fitness Tracker, and Amazon Sidewalk, a network for connected devices. Additionally, Amazon remains committed to environmental sustainability and aims to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2040. Throughout its history, Amazon has evolved from a humble online bookstore to a global tech giant, constantly pushing boundaries and shaping the e-commerce and technology industries. Its relentless focus on customer experience, innovation, and expansion has cemented its position as one of the world's most influential and valuable companies. Thanks a lot for watching. See you.